find what number. Today is, Daddy, what is today?
7th.
7, right here.
Or 6th.
Hold on. We'll find it. Right there. Take it out. Oh. Take it out. Hold on. Are you excited? I can't. He's making me laugh. Here. Here. Here, well, you dropped a piece. Here, you dropped a piece. Is it good? Your nose is running. Mmm. Tell Dad.